Okay, so if we just look at triangle proportionality theorem, we get one proportion here that I want to write down. A over B is equal to C over D. And that's because of the parallel sides. Because of the parallel sides. So we've got that parallel line kind of cutting through the triangle that's parallel to one of the sides, intersecting the other two sides, and this is the triangle proportionality theorem. But there's some other things here that we know about these triangles. So we also know that A over J, A over J is equal to, now try and finish out that proportion for me, is equal to C over K. So this right here is just from similar triangles. So this right here is from similar triangles. Okay, I'm gonna erase my purple marks here. And I'm gonna use another color. What else do we know? We know that, from this one, we know that A over C is equal to, see if you can finish it. If you can't finish it, then you know that you need to go back. You need to go back to that page 245 where they talk about proportion properties and kind of refresh your memory. A over C is equal to J over K. That's a true story. True story. Now, what else do we know? We know A over B is equal to C over D. We know A over J is equal to C over K. We know A over C is equal to J over K. What else is A over C equal to? What else would A over C be equal to? A over C, let's come over here. Use that same property of proportions, but this time with that blue one. A over C could also equal, yep, I'm sure you got it, B over D. So many different relationships that we can be writing here. We also know that B over J, here's another good one, B over J. So see if you can figure out where these are coming from. B over J is going to equal D over K. And what else will B over D equal? What else could B over D equal? B over D could equal anything that A over C equals, right? So B over D could equal anything that A over C equals, so therefore those two are going to be equal, right? B over D is going to equal J over K, but hey, that's one of these properties right here. These two, I mean, those properties of proportions are just amazing. So make sure that you know them. There were several of them. Make sure you know them so that you can feel really good about working with these proportions. The next example, we're going to go into actually working with numbers and then just discuss maybe another corollary here where we've got a couple of different, we've got 3 parallel lines happening, and then super cool thing with the triangle angle bisector theorem. We'll talk about that. And then you should have enough that you should be able to do some practice problems and hopefully feel really good